Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add music or songs to your videos in TikTok in 2025. So if you're recently creating TikTok videos in 2025 and you want to know how to add songs, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store. You want to go ahead and search for TikTok and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, go ahead and tap on this plus sign here at the bottom. Now from here, you can go ahead and record a video or upload a video from your phone library. We'll go ahead and upload a video. Now to add sound or music to this video, at the top here, you'll see something called Add Sound. Tap on it. Now this will give you a collection of sounds which are trending on TikTok. In the first tab, you have Recommended. In the second tab, you have Favorites. So favorites are where you have watched a TikTok video and you have made that audio favorite. Recent are the audios that you have used recently. Now, if you don't find your sound here in this list, you can go ahead and tap on Search and you can search for a sound which you may be heard of. Go ahead and select a sound. You can tap on it to listen. You can tap on the scissors to see what part of the sound you want. You can go ahead and tap on that favorite for you to use that later on. And if you want to use that sound, go ahead and tap on the tick. And now that will be added to your video. At the bottom right here, you can go ahead and tap on volume to set the volumes for your original sound and for your music. Tap done. And now the sound has been applied to your video on your TikTok app. So there you go, guys. It's how to add sound or music to your TikTok videos in 2025. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.